One of my former colleagues at P&G is running a company that works in the field of gender equality. And he asked me if I could run a 2-hour workshop on gender differences in negotiation as part of his broader gender program. I like the idea because the topic of gender is close to my heart. Then, when I started to interact with him, he first asked me to fill a very comprehensive template where I had to put everything that I was doing during my workshop. Then I was supposed to align with the other trends. Then I was supposed to join calls with potential customers. Then, it was so difficult to do business with him that I thanked him and I declined the offer. Did you have similar situations? My name is Giuseppe Conti. I'm a business school professor and the founder of Conti Advanced Business Learning, a company that specializes in negotiation and influencing. Now, what does the story that I just mentioned tell us? It reminds us that successful companies make it easy to work with their customers. Look at Amazon. You can easily find what you want and then you pay with one click. Look at Uber. You can find a ride wherever you are. Look at Tinder. Swipe right, swipe left. Now, what does this mean for us? Well, if you are the owner of a company, then try to simplify the interaction with your customer. If you want to influence someone, then think about what can you do to make it easy for the other party to accept and implement your proposal. For instance, maybe you prepare an executive summary and then you take care of all the administration. For more insight on negotiation and influencing, check our website www.cabl.ch. Thank you.